Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to use the Selfquest app. First, go to the App Store and search for Selfquest. Now tap on it to view all the details and features. You can track your core exercises by engaging in main quests, complete them and earn experience points, or XP and gold. You can make your character stronger and ready to face greater challenges. You can enhance your character's strength and abilities to tackle cover quests and dungeons. Also, see all the reviews to view others' experiences. Now install the latest version of the app. Toggle on the given button to update your health data. Next, tap allow to continue. After that, you need to log into your account. Otherwise, tap the sign up option to create a new account. You have to enter the username, email address, and password. Tap the sign up button. After signing up, log into your account and you'll be directed to your account. Next, upgrade your hero by adding the given options like sword, helmet, legs, boots, and more. There are also power, damage, and class details of the hero. Here you can check the status, which includes strength, stamina, intelligence, and more. Now tap on the 3 bars in the top left corner to open the side menu. Explore all the options in the menu and make changes to your account. After that, tap the equip button to equip your skin if you want. Go to the quest tab to choose the quest difficulty. Now tap the custom tab and you'll find the player ID. Add your friends and then browse through all the tabs at the bottom bar. Go to the lobby tab and view the background lobby here. Then go to the shop tab and buy all the weapons if you need. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.